doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Today's letter is تاء. تاء. The sound is T. T. And here is the shape. It looks like that. The only difference is the dots. T has 2 dots. The sound is T, and it has 2 dots. T. T. Now get a pen and paper and let's write that exactly as we wrote that. We start from the right side and draw a small vertical line down. Then do a longer line across and another small vertical line up. The dots go above the letter in the middle. A small vertical line down, a longer line across, and another small vertical line up. Then the 2 dots. Will you try it on your own now? It has 2 dots, and the sound is T. T. Please pronounce the sound as you draw it. T. T. When T comes at the beginning of a word, it loses its left vertical line to provide a connecting segment for the following letter. You draw it the same way as in the isolated form. You only stop before drawing the left vertical line and add the dots closer to the right vertical line. When T comes in the middle of a word, it has 2 connecting segments. One coming from the previous letter and the other leading to the following letter. We start from the connecting segment, go up for the vertical line, then down and across. The 2 dots go above the vertical line. At the end of a word, T also starts from a connecting segment. But this time, it preserves its full shape to close the word. We start from a connecting segment. Go up, then down, then across to go up again with the left vertical line. From the connecting segment, up, then down, then across and up to close the word. Let's see these different positions and their forms in some examples. In initial position, T loses its left vertical line, and the dots move to the right. In a medial position, it also loses its left vertical line to get easily linked to the following letter, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. The dots move closer to the right vertical line. In the final position, the dots keep their original place in the middle, because T preserves its full shape, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. If ta comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can provide a connecting segment, it stands alone, taking the isolated form, like this example. The same as ba. Ta may take four forms depending on its position. In initial position, medial, final, and the isolated form when preceded by a non-connecting letter. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of the letter as you draw it. T, T,